And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking right towards downtown Lethbridge. Just 5 minutes ago, you could not make out the buildings in the distance. So it has let up a little bit, but we did have some snow coming down in the city of Lethbridge. Right now we're at 0. Yes, it's certainly cloudy out there, and periodic snow. Winds out of the east-southeast at 17 kilometers per hour. And look at our humidity. Not surprising, it's up to 75%, and that number will be scooting up in the next few hours as well. All areas are looking at cooler temperatures right now, and they will be getting cooler. Although tomorrow we're expecting to hit 4 degrees here in Lethbridge early on and then slide down to -7 by the afternoon hours. So temperatures are on a bit of a roller coaster. Right now, there is where the heavy snowfall is indicated right now. So you can see areas to the west, areas to the north, and what you can't see on that screen is there are watches and warnings in place for areas in southern Saskatchewan. So the system is coming across from the west and kind of breaking apart as it comes across the mountains, but right now we're seeing the flow continue out of the west, and it's very disorganized right now. It looks like a big solid mass, but there's actually breaks in between here. So you get some areas that are getting just cloud cover, some are getting some mist, some are getting fog, and some are getting some periods of snow, like one little patch of snow that we saw move through right now. So we're looking at the forecaster wanting to put that snowfall into our area starting overnight tonight. We're already starting to see that snow making its way down to the ground. A lot of it, though, will be in the form of virga. We'll have strong surface winds coming out of the west in some areas, so some of this snow won't be making it down to the surface. But as we get into the day tomorrow, especially in the afternoon hours, we'll start to see that morning rain turn into afternoon snowfall as those temperatures slide down the scales into the minus values. And as you can see, the forecaster already indicating we've got that rain-snow mix to the south, and we've got snowfall to the north. Heavier amounts are going to be making their way across, and you can just see that is being replicated by the forecaster. I agree with that. We are going to get the heavier amounts all the way through Grand Prairie, Grand Cache, and then all the way east into Coronation, Hanna. That's the band of the heavier snowfall. Down south, we're not going to get off scot-free. We're going to have a few centimeters, but not the 20 to 25 that some areas to the north are going to be having. Down east, same scenario. They have heavy snowfall warnings out from the Grey Bruce area in southern Ontario all the way through Pembroke, Ottawa into Toronto. Ottawa is looking at heavy snowfall amounts tonight, and other areas are going to get a snow-rain mix, but all areas all the way to Maritimes are going to be hit with heavy snowfall. New Brunswick could see 30 centimeters in the next 24 hours. It's snowing in Winnipeg, snowing in Regina and Saskatoon. Winter storm warnings are in place there. Raining on the coast. Up north, not bad temperatures for the next few days in the Yukon, but the Northwest Territories, by tomorrow night, we'll be seeing overnight lows in the -30-degree range. East Kootenay, you're looking at 5 centimeters of snow tonight, down to -1. Tomorrow, we're looking at showers and flurries, 2 degrees for a high. In the Crow's Nest Pass area, cloudy with flurries tonight, down to -3. Tomorrow, starting off the morning with some shower activity, turning to snow in the afternoon, 1 degree for a daytime high. Medicine Hat, 2 degrees for a high tomorrow with a snow-rain combination, and you'll see some snow tonight as well. Lethbridge, looking at an overnight low of -1. We'll hit a daytime high of 4 degrees tomorrow. We'll have rain showers in the morning. Those will be turning to snow showers in the afternoon when the temperature slides down to -7 degrees. And then as we get into Sunday, daytime high of -9 degrees. Jet stream is another factor sinking into Montana over the weekend. We have some flurries on the forecast, but it's not going to be with us very long. We're back into sunshine, but the temperatures, it'll take a little while before we get back into positive temperatures, and that's expected to happen on Wednesday as we get into 4 degrees for a daytime high. Congratulations to Grant. Grant has been volunteering with adults who have disabilities for several years now, so we have a basket here for you, Grant. Congratulations. That's it for me, everyone. Have a very safe weekend. If you're traveling, be very careful out on the roads. It's going to be a slick one.